Hello, my name is Sadiq Al-Mansour.
My name is Abdullah Mshageh.
And Rabab Said and
And today we are going to present our project Bookshare. Now, before we talk about the website, let us first focus on the problem we are trying to tackle. As a reader, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you always want to read more books, but you already have a vast book library with no space left for new books? Or have you ever wanted to get a very specific edition of a book that was released a few years ago, and that book is not in production anymore, and the only way to get this book is by importing it, so you have to wait at least a month for it to arrive, assuming that the book is actually in a good condition, and you also have to factor in the shipping cost as well. Now, why we chose this problem? What is our justification? All of us as readers are facing the same problem. Also, from time to time, as readers, we would like to read different genres so that we don't lose the interest of reading. And we believe that the impact of solving this problem will be big. Now, our suggested solution, what if there was a platform for readers to connect with other readers and share their books? And that's what our platform is about. We build a platform that aims to solve this problem. And now I will hand it over to Abdullah to show you a short demo about our website.
Hi everyone, my name is Abdullah, and a few days ago I read a book. It's called Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I wanted to add it to my list in this website. When you add a book, you're gonna search for this book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. The edition of my book is first. The type of my book, it's third or giveaway. I will make it trade because I want to exchange this book with another book. The type of cover of my book is hardcover. The condition of my book, it's like new. Now I can add this book here. And a few days ago, I'm looking for a book. It's called Why We Sleep. And I couldn't find it in any store in my country. Now I will search for this website and for this book, Why We Sleep. I found it, and I will see the detail of my book, of this book. The type of cover is paperback, and the edition is first, and the condition is good. It's good for me. And now I will go to Khalid Ahmed to see what categories he's like. He's like a business. Now I will make a request for Khalid Ahmed to give him a Rich Dad Poor Dad, and I will take Why We Sleep. Now I will set the request. Now Khalid Ahmed, when he go to his profile, he can see my requests, and now I will reject it. Now I will let you with Rabab to explain you our ARD.
as you can see here, user can have many categories that they are interested in, and this same category are related to the book. The book that the user owns are recorded via the My Book model. The requests to give away or trade are connected to the user and the book they own. Moving to the project management. To manage our project, we use the following tools. The first thing we do, we create workflow to know how the system processes using Miro. Adobe XD to create wireframe to know how the user interface will be look like. Trello to create Scrum board to manage our work and assign each task to one team member. GitHub to manage code and allow us to calibrate. We use branches for each feature, and when it works successfully, we merge it to the main branch. For the project technology, we use React to create our web app, Redux to manage all the stages, and Material UI to make a pretty user interface. For the backend, our API was created using Express. The database we are using is Postgres. We use Postman to test our API endpoint. Bookstore to populate our database with the books.
For the future plans, now that we are done with the website, our next step will be is to build a mobile application. We would also like to add a feature where the users can add reviews to provide a feedback about the trade process. We would also like to add a feature where the users can cancel a sent request. And finally, we would like to add a chat feature where that we can give our users a space to start a conversation before the trade process starts. To sum up, if you're a reader like ourselves and you have a lots of books that you're not reading anymore, you can visit our website and trade some of your books with books from different genres that you never read before. I would like to end with a quote from one of my favorite authors, George R. R. Martin, and it says, "A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. The man who never reads lives only one." Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask.